Welcome fellow WordPress to a thrilling adventure in web design. Today we are going to dive headfirst into creating the perfect header for your website using the incredible power of Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you will be craft a stunning custom header that perfectly matches your brand and captivates your audience. The best part, no coding required. So first thing first, let's get you set up. If you have not already installed and activate Elementor and Elementor Pro, these plugins are your secret weapons for creating a header masterpiece. So in the previous tutorial, I upload a tutorial in which I install Elementor and Elementor Pro. You can view this tutorial. So for creating a navigation menu, you must have some pages so that you can add in your navigation menu. So from here I have these few pages, but I want to add some more. So go to the page and click on add new and create page that you want to add in your navigation menu. So I have already home and some pages, and now I want to add about, contact and portfolio and services page. So give it a title and double click publish, and your page is created. Click on add a new page and create another page. Let me just create some pages and I will be back so that tutorial is not gets longer. So I have created all of the pages. You can view from here. Go to the pages and view all pages. So these are all the pages that I have created. Some of them are default pages that are given by theme, like this privacy policy and sample page. I want to delete these pages from here. So check these two pages, and from here click move to trash and click on apply, and these pages will be moved to trash. So now you can see I have this about page, contact page, home, portfolio, profile and services. I am gonna adding these pages to my navigation menu. So our next step is to create a navigation menu. So from here, from appearance, go to the click on appearance and go to the menus, and from here click on create a new menu and give it a title. I want to give it a title like main menu, and from here click on header, display location, header, and click on create menu. So our menu is created, and our next step is to adding some pages into my menu. From here click your main menu, click on select, and now you can add these pages to your menu and click on add to menu, and these are added to menu. You can change the location by dragging it to the up. And you can see these two pages are double added, so click here, and from here click on remove, and also do the same with that home page. Now we have these six pages into our navigation menu. So we have successfully added pages into our navigation menu. Now click on save menu so that our menu will be saved. So now our menu is created.